My name is Farid Vidit Deshmukh.
And myself Adi Naman Chitule. So basically we are planning these projects on the basis of bioluminescence. So bioluminescence is the natural process in which some special organisms can allow light which are luminous with the help of some special enzymes and proteins. So on the application of this we have two applications that are, one is signal firefly and second is light waste. So the signal firefly will be explained by Swarit.
Now, how do I got the idea about signal firefly and what is it? You may wonder that why I made this project. I noticed that in the current time also, India buys special drones from the countries like China, Russia, which are used in the defense part. But I wondered that why don't they make it our own country only? So I have made such type of protocol which works on transmission coding and which can be used in the defense. Now, as you know that defense is very crucial part in a country's health. So, what is signal firefly and how we are going to use it? So, we have just created a type of model with the help of coding and to emit which can decode the messages emitted by the firefly's flash patterns. Now, here are some types of firefly we have attached, and we will also attach one transmitter which will catch the light and color patterns of the firefly, which can be resulted in different patterns. Like now, Aryan will show you what are the different messages that we have created through this protocol.
So at the normal situation where we didn't type any code, so at that time it will show us a normal situation. But if there is any suspicious activity and we have to message them in a code, so at that time if I type 1 from our device, so it will show us suspicious activity at border.
So now there are also different messages that we have designed in our this coding pattern. So now how we are going to use it? As we know that there are many wars which are held at the borders and the soldiers need help at any time. So we can use this technology or protocol at that time. Here we have used the firefly as LEDs, but we can also use AI firefly which are easy to control and having a very low cost to build. So now what are the particular types of protocol that we are going to use in it? So first is defense, and second is any type of blackout or any type of natural disaster. Like if there is any type of earthquake or landslide in your area, so if the building may collapse and you may be just buried inside the building, but you are still alive and your voice is not reaching out. So you can message through your phone and just tell the message to the anyone nearby, and we can also install this decoding system in the everyone's house. Now, how this decoding system and on which app it works? Now, there is one app named Bluetooth Serial Terminator. So, we have installed this app and it is also available on Play Store. So, firstly, before connection, here we have to click this option so that it should be connected with the machine. It purely works on Bluetooth system which cannot be affected by radio jammers and etc. So that's why we are using here the Bluetooth as a connector. So now here our overall explanation and our future recommendations are this should be involved in the defense, and the government should focus on such type of technology that are built in our country only, so from which we can be independent. Thank you.
And our second project